This thing is good. Wow. Like I'm so surprised right now. I don't know why.
Hey dude, it's just...
I feel unstoppable on it.
Yeah.
Like, you can whip and corner. The bottom end's incredible. Yeah, I'm so happy. That was so fun.
Yeah.
Only thing I'd want better is like the front brake is like clungy, and I feel like I can't stop sometimes. So I'll charge, and then I'll be like, oh no, and then I'll like either stand it up or something like that. But
You need to talk to the mechanic.
yeah, we need to talk to. We gotta talk to someone about that.
Yeah.
Whoever bled this brake last,
Yeah, right.
aka me. No, that was really fun.
Mm-hmm.